custom drying chamber based on material analysis. A Brictec highlight for higher efficiency. From foundation to pouring, installation to piping, every step builds a solid base. Waste heat recovery and hot air generation heat supplement ensure high-efficiency energy use. Cyclone reciprocates 120 degrees, evenly distributing hot air. Single-layer stacking improves drying efficiency. Key equipment adopts heat, humidity, and corrosion-resistant materials and parts, ensuring long-term stable operation. Automated operation with sectional temperature and humidity control ensures even drying of bricks.